We're getting very close to artificial general intelligence, but what's the path and secret to getting there? I've been thinking about this a lot lately, and here's my current thinking, which is of course very much influenced by the work of my colleagues and friends at a major tech company. AGI likely won't come from just scaling up today's models. It'll come from scaling up and combining with new principles: efficient learning, reasoning, memory, embodiment, and alignment. Let's have a look. First, data plus learning efficiency. Today's AI is powerful but data hungry. GPT-4 was trained on hundreds of terabytes of data. AGI will likely require learning with much less data, more like how humans learn from just a few examples and transfer knowledge across different domains. This could involve techniques like few-shot learning, meta-learning, self-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning from environment feedback. Second, reasoning and abstraction. Today's systems are great at recognizing patterns but are weak at causal reasoning and forming abstract, generalizable concepts. AGI will need world models, internal representations of how the world works, not just statistical correlations. This is an area where symbolic neural hybrids, neurosymbolic reasoning, and causal inference are being actively researched. Third, memory and adaptability. Humans constantly update their beliefs, remember long-term context, and adapt quickly. Current models, though, forget everything after each session. AGI will likely require persistent adaptive memory, systems that update over time without catastrophic forgetting. This is also related to lifelong learning. Fourth, embodiment and interaction. Some argue that AGI won't emerge from text prediction no matter how good it gets. It may require interaction with the real or simulated world where an agent can test, learn, and refine its models. Think robotics, virtual reality, and large-scale simulated environments. Fifth, alignment and values. Intelligence without alignment is a dangerous thing. The secret to useful AGI might not just be technical but also philosophical and ethical. It's about designing systems that are aligned with human values, interpretability, and controllability. This is where debates about safety, governance, and the control problem come in. And finally, integration of modalities. Human intelligence isn't just about language. We integrate vision, speech, movement, and sensory feedback. AGI may emerge from multimodal models that process language, images, audio, and actions together, producing richer generalization. So there you have it. 6 areas to focus on if we want to build AGI. It's less about one breakthrough algorithm and more about synergizing many approaches into a cohesive system. Much like human cognition isn't one trick, but a web of capabilities working together. What do you think? What's the path and secret to AGI? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching.